Hi everyone, my name is Kitana. Since today is National Give Something Away Day, we are going to announce our summer giveaway. We will pick 2 winners, and each of those winners will receive a Trayvax ration.
It's a kitchen in this portable box, and it's really, really awesome.
And a Trayvax sweatshirt. The instructions to enter this contest will be in the description of this video. Entries for the giveaway will be open from July 14th through July 18th. I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope you have a great summer.